Gentlemen, welcome to your Fire Solutions Lounge. First of all, let me ask you why it was so important to have everyone together and have a universal lounge that people can come to and find out a little bit more about yourselves.
Okay. For me, what I want to say is that, first of all, it was led by the companies. You know, this isn't a parent company, this is what you're going to do. This was all about us as individual companies thinking that wouldn't it be great just to be a bit closer and be able to move people between stands and be able to support each other in a different way.
Yeah. Just reiterate the same thing. It's more how we can complement each other as companies. We all have our individual things that we bring to the market and to the fire industry. We're just here to complement each other where possible and be able to have this shared environment where we're not walking around and we're all here together.
It does feel like that FIREX is a company, is an arena, if you like, where you guys can all come together, and the ultimate end goal is for safety, is to get a message across. How has that been working with each other, which you normally probably wouldn't necessarily do, or working alongside each other?
Yeah, I totally agree. I think it's allowed people, customers, as well as ourselves to, again, be more localised, more sharing the information, sharing the customer pains as well. Where we can't fit in one spot, another person can fit in that place, I found.
Which is great, isn't it, that you can almost go, well, this isn't our domain, but I can pass you on to someone whose it is.
We've been experiencing the feedback from the clients and the installers. It's the end users, the whole spectrum of users of our products to be able to get the true feedback and to be able to introduce them to each other's products and ranges.
So just to reiterate what they've said, really, I think it's really great to have had a bit of a shared space where if we can't get over somebody's pain, then we can point them in the direction of one of our other companies that could do that. We've been able to really mix with a lot of extra customers here as well, so we've met a lot of people that interact with our products that we wouldn't necessarily meet in our day-to-day, so it's been really exciting to be here, part of a shared space.
It is a really great arena to have you all together. Before I let you go, let's find out, why is FIREX so important? I mean, it's been here for a while now, centre of London, and it's probably the biggest in Europe as well. Maybe just a little bit from each of you about why you're part of FIREX.
We're just here, it's a central location. We're a UK company. It's just handy to have a point of contact for our UK customers and international visitors, just to show them UK manufacturing, here we are, let's have a chat.
Yeah, I think the UK manufacturing point, and you know, most of us have a very high proportion of our business in the UK, and supporting the UK business is really important. And for us here this week, we've used this as to really get good feedback on some new ideas we've had, and that's been really powerful for us.
It's brilliant. So you guys are using the customer feedback to forward what you do.
Absolutely, and especially with FFE, we try to get our concepts out there to the customers by learning their pains and trying to see if we can solve their issues, showing them what we've got, and also putting a face to the voice that we speak to every day, and that really does help us a lot.
I was going to say, we spoke to a lot of people when we're just kind of walking around and meeting you guys that said, you know what, we've maybe had email conversations with you guys, but now it's like, oh, that's the person I've been talking to for 6 months.
Yeah.
How has it been for you, Adam?
It's been great. We've met all of the people that wouldn't normally have met on a face-to-face basis, and been able to answer their questions and bring them closer to us and our products.
We say that this is the biggest in Europe as well, and I know you're talking about, you know, industry here in the UK was very, very important, of course, but we have people from Nigeria that have come here to meet you guys to find out, so it feels like that the UK is leading the way in fire safety.
Yeah, I think that's right. And again, the location, I think, is absolutely perfect for that, right? Because we've got the airport right opposite us, so we're going to have a lot of our international customers come in, as well as a great opportunity to catch up with everybody based here in the UK.
Gentlemen, thank you so much, and thank you for giving us free coffee in your area as well. You had me at free coffee. Thank you so much.